Yes, class?
Yes, yes.
Today's lesson is all about multiplying and dividing with fours. What facts are we working on today?
Fours.
So, please pull out your math board.
Pull out your math board. Pull out your math board.
Thanks, Keegan. He's on it. Look alive, third grade. You may grab your marker now. And with your marker, I want you to start circling your groups of fours. I'm watching the clock here on my iPad. You have 30 seconds to circle your fours groups up to 40. Okay? Go. Circle your groups of four up to 40. So like one group of four is 4, two groups of four is 8.
All the way to 40?
All the way to 40.
Wait, is it
4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Keep going. You only have 30 seconds.
to what?
Addison, right now, honey, you need your math board from your
What are
locker.
we doing it to?
Go ahead and go check your locker
40.
again.
40. Like this?
Just like this. When we circle those groups up.
All the way up to 40?
Yep. That was 30 seconds, so I'm going to give you your next step. And if you need more time to wrap that up, you can. But I want you to list those count bys. So that first group of four is just 4. The second group is 8. And I want you to list those count bys now up to 40. I'm going to watch that clock for 30 more seconds to try to keep us on track.
Done. It's
We're getting close to that 30-second mark, so we have our count bys almost. We're getting there, we're getting there.
there's 10.
Okay, you see how that works, and then do the next. There you go. Awesome. So go ahead and start listing those numbers. 4, 8, 12, 16. Lady, we need to talk about you circling your fours, okay? You ready? What's your marker? So, first from the fours, you're gonna go up to the 4. Circle up to my finger now. Awesome. Okay, now we're gonna go 1, 2,
I was just checking YouTube to see if there's a song for memorizing the fours. And I don't think I've got a good one yet,
Okay,
like
so
Jingle
starting
Bells.
here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. And then the next one. And then the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4.
We'll see. I'll keep searching for one. But
You want to go all the way down those.
when you have your count bys listed, I would like you to stand up.
To 4.
Those of you that are still listing them, we're going to shout them out loud so that you can hear them and keep adding them. So those of you that haven't done, you're up here with me. And we are going to count our fours, count bys. Same with you on live. Ready? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 40. I think we're going to do that one more time. What do you think? Again, if you have them written down, stand up with me. You're going to jot them down. If you're still working, you're listening and jotting down your count bys. Are you ready?
Ooh, good job.
4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Sit down. We're not going to do all of them, but I would like someone to tell me, let's see here. How would I write an equation to show me how many groups of 2 it takes to get 16? How many groups of 2? How many groups of 4 does it take to get 16? Mr. Keegan.
It takes 4
16's right here, so 1, 2, 3. So how would I write that equation, sir?
4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4.
Ooh, I can do that. I can do repeated additions. Who can write this as a multiplication equation for me? Miss Ellie.
4 times 4.
Yeah, because it's 4 groups of 4. Very good. Who could tell me a multiplication for 28? How many groups of 4 did it take to get 28? Rylan.
Plus 4 plus 4 plus 4.
Oh, she's right.
Plus 4
So is this a multiplication or a repeated addition one? Okay, how many times did you do that, Rylan? Do one more time there. Very good. Rylan got my repeated addition. What would my multiplication for that one be? Rylan?
4 times 6 equals 24.
Ooh, I'm on 28. So instead of 6 groups, it's going to be one more. 7 groups. Good. It is 7 groups of 4, or 7 times 4. My friends, you don't have to write the repeated additions with me on these ones. I'm just checking to see if you remember how. Sound good? Who could tell me, I don't want the repeated addition this time. We're going to skip that part. I just want to know, what would be the multiplication equation to represent how many groups of 4 it takes to get 8? Who could tell me how many groups of 4 it takes to get 8? Skylar.
2,
So what would our equation look like?
8. Wait.
If it's 2 groups of 4, you would say,
4 times 2.
or if you flip them,
2 times
2 groups of 4. 2 times 4. Very good. Now, for this next step, I don't want you to jot them down. So go ahead and you can put your marker down and stand up.
4. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up.
I want us to have some practice remembering how to write these as division. So I'm going to give us 3 more seconds to be standing because I got some friends who are not following those directions. 3, 2, 1. Got it. Okay. If I want to do divisions to represent these, then I would start with a big number, right? Like I could say 40 divided by my 4's count bys, or divided into groups of 4, equals, well, I would have to figure out where's 40. There it is. And I'd say, how many groups did it take? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 40 divided by 4 equals 10. Could I challenge a mathematician to give me a division for 24? Who thinks they could figure out how many groups of 4 it takes to get to 24 and write it as a division? River? Groups of 4. Bingo! It was 6 groups. That got us our first point. What do you say?
Oh, yeah.
Alright, I need to challenge another mathematician. Who can give me my division for 32? Miss Hadley. Oh, we're doing our divisions. Divided by our groups of 4 is 1. Let's go ahead and count up to 32. Ready, friends? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I want you all to write the division for this one on your own, including my online friends. That will be on your slides. How do I write a division for 36 divided by groups of 4? Go ahead. All right, class.
Yes, yes.
let's first talk about our patterns. Looking at this, I had Mr. Cabin already noticed a pattern earlier. Did anybody else notice patterns?
Yeah.
Go ahead and use your GTA to share with me what patterns you noticed in our fourth count
every
guys.
time you just-
Oh, whew. GTA, we wait till we're called on, right? Cabin,
It goes in a number on the sides.
what do you mean?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Mm-hmm. Very good. You notice that right here. Right? What else did you notice, Riley?
That so right next to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, there's a pattern that goes 4, 8, 2, 6, 0. 4, 8, 2, 6, 0. Ooh, good eye. Yep. What else did you notice, Braylon?
The bottom is like the second row. Like there's the first row, and then the second row is all even numbers. Not the ones behind the
Like the tens place?
no the
So the 4, 8, 2, 6, 0? Or do you mean like the tens place how it has 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3?
no the 2, 6, 0, 4, 8.
Yeah, that's what Riley noticed. Yep, good eye. Skylar?
That it goes like 4 equals 1, 8 equals 2. Like it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yep, because we're doing our combis in order. Now here's my next thing. I want you thinking of something that comes in groups of 4s. What are some things that always have 4? River. For example, if I'm talking about horseshoes, horses have 4 hooves, so they need 4 horseshoes. What else comes in groups of 4, Ellie?
the number 4.
The number 4. What about it? Think about those story poems. What might they be talking about if they just want 4 things? Hadley. Emerson.
Quadrilateral.
Ooh, quadrilaterals. Those are shapes with 4 sides. Yeah. Kevin.
Shoes for dogs.
Oh, if your dogs need shoes, or if they're asking how many legs or how many paws a dog has. Yes. Rylan.
The square has 4.
Squares, yes.
That's a question. All our chairs and drinking have 4 legs.
Chairs have 4 legs. Very good. I know that there's more, but we're going to go ahead and move on. So, hands down.
Hey,